Hi, this is Emily with the University of Maryland Extension, and I'm back with our tree care series. In the past, we've talked about trees that have been planted too deeply and over-mulched, no mulch volcanoes. Today, we're going to talk about some staking trees. Now, a lot of times you don't need to stake trees, newly planted trees. You really only need to do it when necessary. So on an exposed site, on a really windy site, maybe on a slope, and you want to use as least amount of stakes as possible. If you do need to stake a tree, you want to make sure you remove it after about maybe 6 months or a year, depending on the size of the tree. Now this tree, I'm not sure how long it's been here. This is a street tree here in this typical suburban neighborhood. And you can see here that the stakes are getting too tight around the tree. It's starting to cut into the bark. And that can girdle the trunk of the tree, can cut off the flow of nutrients in the trunk. So if you do need to stake a tree, you want it looser than this. We want the trunk to be able to sway in the wind, to get stronger, to develop a strong root system, a strong trunk. It can prevent breaking down the road. It can also prevent girdling. Now, if these should come off. If these are left for too long, the bark can grow around it. And we've seen that sometimes maybe with old fences. So if you have questions, shoot them to us and we'll help you out.